Hi, it's almost full moon, and no, I don't feel like transforming into a werewolf. I just feel like eating junk food. And my version of junk food is actually a biscuit that I make using one coconut and one banana. That's it. And first of all, you have to clean the coconut to make it white. Remove the dark skin. And you cut it into small cubes. And you place it into a recipient. Then you add some hot boiling water on top in order to mix it. And then you mix it. Now you remove the liquid and you keep only the coconut pulp. The liquid is actually coconut milk. You may drink it if you want, or you may throw it away if you don't want to drink it. Okay, you may drink the milk. This is pure and fresh coconut milk. Tastes good. And then you add one banana on top of the coconut. I'm using a banana instead of dates or sugar or honey, because one banana is sweet enough to make the biscuits taste good. And I prefer one banana because banana is also sticky, and when I add banana I don't have to add an egg anymore. So if you do not use banana, you will have to use an egg or 2 eggs. And now you mix it. Here I have an oven tray with a baking foil on top. And this is the composition. I'll show it to you. It is gooey and sticky from the banana because bananas have starch. So they are sweet and sticky. And this is why the composition sticks together. Okay? You want to make sure that the banana that you use is very sweet and very sticky, so that the composition is very sticky. Can you see how sticky this is? Now, if your composition is not sticky enough, then you may use one more banana, because banana is used instead of the egg. So banana replaces the egg. Then place the biscuits in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius, that's 75 degrees Fahrenheit, up and down for 30 minutes. 30 minutes are up. I stop the alarm, and now I will stop the heat. And it is important to leave the biscuits inside the oven until the oven cools on its own. My version of junk food, because it is, in my opinion, the healthiest junk food that you can eat, because coconut has the least amount of arginine versus lysine, the least amount of lectins, and a banana is used instead of eggs. You know that eggs have enzymes inhibitors. Bananas have a little bit of sugar and a little bit of starch, but they're better than eggs. So in my opinion, this is the best dessert that you can have. I mean, the healthiest version. And tastes good. Now, why was I talking about the full moon? Because on full moon and on new moon, our hormones usually fluctuate and our mood changes. We're a bit more moody because of the moon. If there was no artificial light involved, all women should have their period on full moon. But because we're being exposed to artificial light, that artificial light interacts with our hormones and it changes our hormones, and that's why we do not have our period on the full moon, all of us. But still, the moon influences our hormones, and that's why people are a bit more cranky, a bit more sensitive on the full moon and on new moon. So that's why I was talking about the full moon and how I feel like eating junk food right now. So if you're like me, you can have one biscuit to satisfy your need for junk food. That's it.